My dear learners, you are welcome back again. Today, we are going to talk of a very interesting subtopic, which is equations involving number bases, part 1A, under number bases. But before you watch this video, there is a video uploaded by me on YouTube on converting numerals in other bases to base 10. I beg you to watch that so that it would enhance your understanding in this subtopic. But before you watch this video too, please like, subscribe, comment, and share my video. Thank you. Before any student can solve questions on equations involving number bases, there are procedures or steps to follow. Number one is that convert numerals that are not in base 10 to base 10. Add numerals or numeral with a known base or basis into base 10. Number two is substitute your answer you have gotten into the given equation. Number three is solve for the value of the unknown variable in that equation. And the fourth thing is you check if your answer is correct or not. Topic. We will consider two things. The first thing is how you can find an unknown base of a numeral. And here we may consider two aspects. Then the second one is we may learn how to find an unknown digit in a numeral. Please, I am saying again that like, comment, share, and above all, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So now, for today, we are going to consider how to find an unknown base of a numeral. Let's see our first question. Find the value of x in 3, 4 base s equals 1, 9 base 10. For this question, I would like you to pick your exercise book, your pen, and your calculator as well, and solve it on your own. First thing is convert the numeral 3, 4 base s into base 10. But for that of the 19, leave it as such, because when numerals are written without the base, it means that numeral is already in base 10. Pause the video and do that. The answer for 3x base x in base 10 is 3x plus 4. If you had this answer, well done. Our next step is substitute the answer you have gotten for 3x base x into the given equation. Third point is solve for the value of x in the equation. So once you have done the substitution, I am waiting for your answer. Pause the video and do that. The answer is x equals 5. If you had this answer, I say bravo to you. Let us all together solve this question. Those who were not able to, don't worry, take heart. Look at how it is done. So we are going to convert 3, 4 base s into base 10. So we could see from the screen that the place value of each digit in 3, 4 bases have been written. The place values are in powers of x because 3, 4 is in base x. That's why we have the place values being powers of x. As you already know, to convert it to base 10, we multiply each digit by its place value, added to the next digit multiplied by its place value. So we have 3 multiplying x raised to the power 1 to give us 3x index 1, thus 4 multiplying x index 0. But we all know that when a number or a variable is having an index of 1, it's the same as that figure or variable. Therefore, x index 1 would be x, and any number or variable raised to the power 0 apart from 0 itself would give us 1. So here would be 4 times 1. Therefore, we have 3x plus 4, as you see on the screen. Therefore, 3, 4 base x in base 10 is 3x plus 4. There is nothing you can do to it again. In our next thing, we have to substitute this answer we have gotten 3x plus 4 into the original question. Wherever we see 3, 4 base x, we substitute 3x plus 4. So we may have 3x plus 4, then we bring our equal to sign, and then our 19, and then the 19 you see in the question. So it becomes the only thing that has to be changed is the 3, 4 base x. So we have 3x plus 4 equals 19. Now we are going to solve to find the value of x. To find the value of x, 4 is found at the left-hand side, 19 at the right-hand side. We are going to group like that, and that is not done by magic. So what we must do is to find the additive inverse of 4 and add it to both sides. So the additive inverse of positive 4 is negative 4. So we subtract 4 from both sides of the equation, and that is what you see on the screen. This makes positive 4 and negative 4 0, and 19 minus 4 to be 15. Therefore, for the left-hand side, it will be left with only 3x. So we may get 3x equals 15. Our next step is that we need x, not 3x. So we must divide through by 3. And then that would give us 3x over 3 equals 15 over 3. 3 would go into 3. ones. 1 times x would give us x. Then our equal to would come. 15 divided by 3 would give us 5. So we have x equals 5. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 5. When you want to find out either your answer is correct or wrong, then go back to the original question. Substitute 5 in place of x so that we get 3 4 base 5. Convert that to base 10 because 19 is in base 10 and see if you would get 19 or 19 base 10. Then it tells you your answer is correct. Let's see our second question. Find the value of x in 3 base 7 plus 4 base x equals 6 base 10. Which of these numerals do you think have to be converted into base 10? We could see that because 3 is in base 7, it has to be converted to base 10. We could see that 4 has the unknown base, which is x. Therefore, these two must be converted to base 10. It could happen that 4 is in base 10, but we don't know. And because the base is unknown, we have to convert it to base 10. But 6 is already in base 10, so that one should remain the same. So you are to convert 3 base 7 and 4 base x into base 10. Let's do it together. 3 base 7. So the last 3 would have 7 in this 0, and the first 3 would have 7 in this 1 as its base value. Now, just multiply each of them and add the answers together. So we may have 3 times 7 in this 1 plus 3 times 7 in this 0, as you see on the screen. 7 in this 1 is the same as 7. So we have 3 times 7 plus 3 times 1, because 7 in the 0 is 1. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 3 times 1 is 3. Now we add them, so we may get 24. Therefore, 3 base 7 in base 10 is 24, or is 4 base 10. Let's convert 4 base s into base 10. 4 the 2, which is the last, has the place value of s in the 0, and 4 has the place value of x in this 1. Then, in the same way, multiply each digit by its place value and add them together. So we have 4 times x in this 1 plus 2 times x in the 0. Then we have 4 times x in this 1 is x, so 4 times x plus 2 times 1, because x in the 0 is 1. Then we may have 4 times s is 4s, and 2 times 1 will give us 2. Therefore, 4 base x in base 10 is 4x plus 2. When we get these two answers, we are not done. we are going to substitute these answers into the original equation. So, in place of 3 base 7, we put in 2 4. Then we bring our plus sign, and in place of 4 2 base x, we put in 4x plus 2. Then the next thing is to bring the equal to sign. And then the last thing is 6 2. We have ignored writing the base 10 because base 10 numerals can be written without the base. And in the equation, when it is taken out, it makes calculation very much easier. So we open the bracket and we have 24 plus 4x plus 2 equals 62. Now, our next thing is to add 24 and 2 to get 26. So we may have 4x plus 26 at the left-hand side, then equal to 62. Now we have to solve for the value of x, and it is done by grouping like terms. So here, 26 has the additive inverse of negative 26. So we add negative 26 to both sides, or in short, we subtract 26 from both sides of the equation above. So we have 4x plus 26 minus 26 equal to 62 minus 26. It is equation. So what is done to the left-hand side must be done to the right-hand side, else you may get a wrong answer. Plus 26 minus 26 would be 0, so it would be left with 4x, and that is what you see here. 62 minus 26 will give us 36. Then we divide both sides by 4 because we want to find the value of x, not 4x. So 4 would go into 4, and it will be left with x equal to 36 divided by 4 would give us 9. So x equals 9. After getting this answer, if you want to find out if your answer is correct, go back to the original equation. 3 base 7 plus 4 2, then you substitute 9 here. 4 2 base 9. Then you work with the left hand side to find out if it will give you 62 or 62 base 10. Then your answer is correct. Therefore, in all, the answer to the question is x equals 9. May we go and look at our assignment and exercises. Number 1. Find the value of n in 2 6 base n equals 11010 base 2. In example 2, find the value of base p that satisfies the equation 3 6 5 base 7 plus 4 3 base p equals 217 base 10. Pause the video and find answers to these questions. The answer to question 1 is n equals 10. And the answer to question 2 is p equals 5. Please, again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. May God be with you all till we meet again. Bye.